Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro limited edition, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the menu, or rather the quick panel. And on the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, the percentage icon. And this is basically the battery percentage, and this is the battery icon. And if you want to enable the power saving mode, you need to tap on this battery icon, and here we have this option called battery saver. Tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the battery saver or power saving mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. Basically you have access only to a time, steps and the date. And to disable the power saving mode, you need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.